Heidi ho, my little YouTubers. Okay, I've got a custom order here. This is for Brian. It's a 1978 one Finnish markka coin. I think it's for his girlfriend. Her name is Tarita. I'm probably saying that wrong, man, because my Finnish is crazy. But my girlfriend says it's quite a rare name in Finland, so I hope she likes it, man. So, obviously, you're going to want the date. So I'm going to use a smaller punch, and hopefully you're still going to have the date there. But it's 1978, what you asked for. There you go, just to show you. Right, let's punch a hole in it. So this is going to be a Christmas gift, is it, man? Right, let's go over to Big Bertha and show it a bit of love. So whereabouts you from then, in the States, man? I mean, I'll find out when you buy the ring, but I'll have a guess. I'll give 3 guesses. Miami. You from Miami? Oregon, Portland, maybe. Or how about LA? Am I close? Right. Yeah, 1978. Right, let's clean it up a bit. You want to make sure there's no cracks or splits. Otherwise our ring will probably end up splitting. And I haven't got any more of these 1978 ones. I have got 2, but the one I looked at earlier, it wasn't in that good a condition. It had a couple of some damages on the side, and I went through the rest of them, and the last one I picked up, I've got about 100 of them, the last one I picked up was 1978, so you're in luck. A bit more. I'm going to clean it out. Bit more. I don't want to take too much of the date out, that's the problem. That's not too bad. So we want to give it some love with Bernie. As you said, she's a size 8. So that's no problem. I can do size 8 for you. I have the technology. Right, now I want to fold it. And obviously we want the date on the outside. It's probably going to get a bit squashed though, but there you go. That goes face down. A 17-degree folding die. Yeah. He said, do I charge for the filming? I said, no, it's all, you know, I like filming them. And it's all part of it to me. You know, you get your ring, you get a little video of how it's made. Yeah, I love doing them. It's a pleasure to make it for you. It really is. I've only been doing this for just over 3 months, so... Right, I just want to clean up the edge. There you go. Yeah, this will be a nice surprise for her. What I'll do is, as well, after I've made it, and my girlfriend's cleaned it up, and I will clear coat it, just in case she's got any allergies. Let's go over to Spike, my favourite tool, and the kitchen roll just stops you losing any of the detail on the inside of the ring. What size we're looking at? This is an American. I've got a long way to go yet. Yeah, I had to use a small punch, otherwise you'd have lost the date. I think I might show a bit more love with Bernie, because as you work the coin, it rehardens. So. This is just called annealing, just softens up the metal so I can work it a bit easier. This will be in my shop tomorrow. I'll give it a couple of coats of clear coat for you. If after 8 months, a year, it wears off, she can always give it a slight coat over with Clear nail varnish. That does the job. So I want to take this to a size 9, and then I have to reduce it. I can't see nothing on this bloody thing. It's just over 9, so that's good. So now I want to bring them walls in. But first of all, there's a little bit of a lip on the inside. Not much, but there's a little bit. Some coins I don't have to do this, some do, some I don't. There's not much in here, so it just needs a little bit of a whiz round. And the best way to test it is with your fingernail. Because if you don't do this, it's uncomfortable to wear. That's good. See that shiny bit? Right, size 8 we want. Can I chuck this in here again? I can start with that. Then go over to the bottom end of Spike. This is the same die I folded it with. So make sure it's nice and square. A round thing in a square thing. That makes any sense to you? What size we're looking at now? It needs more. I'll have to try and paint these numbers. It's now just undersize. Give it another whack with this one. Does this one fit? Nope. I'll go with this one. Right. Bit more. These are just reduction dies, reducing dies. They're different sizes on each side. What size we got? 8 1/4. How's it looking for straightwise? Focus, please. A touch more. I'm just checking with my eye. Aye. You hardly have to touch it at all to get that last little bit. There you go. Size 8, spot on. Focus, what is wrong with this thing today? Nice level walls. Right, let's get Kate Bush on the game. And clean it up a bit. Hopefully you still got the date there, fella. Of course, on the milled side of the coin, you've got Suomi Finland. So she should love it. Let's just do the inside. Right, some polish. Oh, every time. I can't help it, I'm just messy. You want to see me in the kitchen? Because I go with my mother-in-law's. We go there for dinner sometimes. And the dinner appears on the table. And everything's like nothing's been touched. You know, everything's cleaned away, immaculate. When I go in the kitchen to do anything, I use every bloody pot, knife and fork, spatulas, saucepans. It looks like a bloody bomb's gone off and I've just cooked a meal. How do people do that? I wish I knew. Clean the Mandis. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. Ouch. Wow, that's hot. I'll stick this video up for you tomorrow, Brian. That's okay. Because we don't have any post here. Oh, I mean, crazy, man. This country's weird as hell. We get 3 posts a week. We get it on a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday. I mean, it's bloody crazy. And I just demolished the post office where I used to live, well, where I live now. So I have to get a bloody bus every time I want to post anything. I don't take my car, it's cheaper to get a bloody bus. It's about 20 miles to the bloody post office. Right, what we got? Well, Brian, there she is, man. I hope she likes it. I will clear coat this. Because my fingers are still covered in rubbish. What we got? Have we still got the date? Yeah. 1978. We just got it in time. We just done it. So thanks, Brian. This will clean up more. And I'll clear coat it for you. I'll put the video up for you tomorrow. Thanks, dude. Hope she likes it. If it needs adjusting, you can send it back to me and I'll adjust it free of charge and post it back to you. So thanks a lot, mate. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Behave yourself and all that stuff. Go and have fun, man. Bye-bye.